Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to check Facebook password in Instagram. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So first of all, just open your Instagram, and after that, just simply log into your account. Once you're logged into your account, just click on the profile icon from the bottom right corner of your mobile screen. After that, just click on the three-dot icon from the top right corner of the screen. Over here, just go to the Account Center from the top, and under the Connected Experiences section, you will be able to see different options like sharing across profiles, logging in with accounts, and other options. Just simply click on Logging in with Accounts. Over here, you will be able to see your Facebook account that has been linked to your Instagram account, and the setting is now on Choose which account can be logged in with the other account. Now, in order to get your Facebook password, you need to change the settings and click on All Accounts to log in into each other. Just simply click on it. This way, your Facebook account will also be logged in through your Instagram account quite easily. And this way, you will be able to get the password as well. So that's basically how you can check Facebook password in Instagram. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.